ASUS router IPv4 only mode. Enable IPv6 feature. Step 1. Accessing router settings. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to your ASUS router administration page. Typically, you can do this by entering router.asus.com on your router's IP address into the address bar. Log in with your administrator username and password. Step 2. Navigating to IPv6 settings. Once you're logged in to the router's interface, look for the IPv6 option in the left-hand menu under Advanced Settings or Network. Click on IPv6 to open the relevant configuration page. Step 3. Getting the connection type. On the IPv6 settings page, you'll see an option for the connection type. Select the appropriate type for your internet service provider, and common options include native, static IPv6, pass-through, or tunnel 6004. If you're unsure, native is often the correct choice if your ISP supports it, or check with your ISP. Step 4. Configuring other IPv6 settings. Depending on your chosen connection type and your ISP's requirements, you might need to configure additional settings such as DNS server, WAN IPv6 address, or LAN IPv6 prefix length. If you selected native, this often auto-configure. Consult your ISP's documentation if you need specific values. After setting the connection type and any other necessary parameters, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Apply button to save your changes. The router will likely reboot or briefly disconnect as it applies the new IPv6 settings. Once it reconnects, you can use an online tool to verify that your connection is now using IPv6.